This YouTube channel is generating substantial monthly revenue by producing uncomplicated horror story content. With a subscriber base exceeding 6 million, their latest uploads garner approximately 1 million views each, with certain highly popular videos even amassing up to 30 million views. Social Blade data reveals their monthly earnings to reach as high as $50,000, despite the predominant use of rudimentary imagery accompanied by voice narration. In this presentation, I will demonstrate how you can effortlessly craft a multitude of narrative-driven horror videos using the synergistic capabilities of ChatGPT, Pictory AI, and Elevenlabs AI. With this knowledge in hand, you'll be well equipped to establish your own faceless YouTube channel, paving the way for potentially substantial earnings. Let's delve into the details and embark on the journey of content creation. First and foremost, let's begin with crafting a captivating narrative. To embark on this creative journey, we'll rely on the expertise of our trusted companion, ChatGPT. However, we encounter a slight challenge when it comes to story generation with ChatGPT. When prompted with a simple, ready scary story, ChatGPT tends to produce rather conventional and commonplace narratives, lacking uniqueness and engagement. To elevate our storytelling prowess, we'll enlist the aid of a prompt assistance tool called AIPRM. To access this valuable extension titled AIPRM ChatGPT, simply conduct a quick search for AIPRM for ChatGPT using your preferred search engine. Upon locating the first link, effortlessly integrate the extension into your browser. This process entails a swift account creation requiring only a few clicks. Once completed, an array of prompt templates will be at your disposal within the public section. Locate the short story generator template, which I personally favorited for its exceptional capabilities. This template facilitates the generation of a concise narrative based on your provided description, necessitating only a handful of keywords. I've inputted keywords such as ghost mystery, horror element, and police investigation murder, culminating in an unforeseen huge twist. For a more detailed and distinctive storyline, don't hesitate to introduce additional keywords. With ChatGPT's assistance, a compelling and unparalleled story has now come to fruition. Our narrative is primed for the next step, transforming it into a visually engaging video. The video production process calls for suitable imagery and footage that seamlessly align with the storyline. This congruence is pivotal to ensure a seamless viewer experience. However, the task of generating fitting visuals for each scene can be both time-consuming and creatively demanding, and let's face it, we're aiming for efficiency. Thus, we'll enlist ChatGPT's capabilities once more to conjure image concepts, enabling us to craft the perfect YouTube script. By merely expressing the desire to create a storytelling video complete with voiceover and stock images, ChatGPT skillfully fulfills our request. As a result, our narrative has seamlessly transitioned into an impeccable YouTube video script, complemented by a wealth of image and footage ideas for every scene. With the script in hand, proceed to copy and paste it into a Google Docs page, and you're well on your way to bringing your envisioned project to life. Alright, we've successfully crafted our video script and generated a plethora of image ideas. The next step involves creating our video using an exceptional ad-driven text-to-video tool named Pictory AI. If you haven't yet acquired a Pictory account, take advantage of the trial account registration. For further insights, you can also refer to my previous dedicated video on Pictory AI by clicking the designated information button. Once you're logged in, navigate to the script to video button. This is where our script editing takes place. Now let's return to Google Docs, copy the initial voiceover section, and paste it into the Pictory script editor. Repeat this process for each voiceover section from Google Docs into Pictory. Once all the script segments are copied, click on the process button. Let's also remember Dean Winchester, the handsome character from my favorite TV series, Supernatural, who came to my mind while making this video. I'm gonna change the name of the detective in this story to Dean Winchester. There you go. Now proceed to select a pre-built template from the available options. Following that, opt for the 16:9 aspect ratio suitable for YouTube videos. Pictory AI will now commence generating visuals and storyboards, albeit this may take a bit of time. Let's expedite to the video progress. Here we have our storyboard. While Pictory AI does generate visuals based on our story, it creates footage from line-by-line elements, which might lack consistency. Consequently, we'll modify the footage. To select the most fitting footage, we'll heed the guidance of ChatGPT. Returning to Google Docs, let's follow the suggestion for the opening shot footage. For the opening shot, we require eerie moonlit night exterior of Blackthorn Manor. Back in Pictory, click on Visuals and explore the extensive array of available footage. In search of a somber and foreboding image or video of the Blackthorn Manor, enter your query in the search bar and proceed to select the ideal footage for your narrative. Once satisfied, return to the storyboard and adjust the second footage in accordance with your story. Repeat this process for all subsequent scenes. Pictory offers an impressive collection of over 2 million stock footage options integrated with Storyblocks, providing a diverse array of resources. I went through these parts quickly so as not to waste your time. After reviewing all the scene images, access the voice button. Here we will create our voiceover using Pictory AI. If you prefer to use your own voice, this is certainly an option. You can also use Pictory's voice models, which are available in various languages and accents. Choose a voice model that suits your preferences. For now, I'm going to use Elevenlabs A's voiceover named Ethan. If you're not familiar with Elevenlabs, I've left the links in the description. I'll play the voiceover later. Sorry, I don't want to spoil it. Next, let's increase the video's interactivity by choosing a suitable background music. Explore the music options, set the purpose mode and genre to discover the most suitable background music for your video. Once you find a suitable track, proceed accordingly. Once these editing steps are done, it's time to export our video. Start Pictory AI's video export process by clicking on Download. This process can take a while, so let's skip this step quickly. Okay, our video is ready. Let's get a coffee because we deserve it. We have finished another storytelling video created entirely by artificial intelligence. Now it's time to watch our masterpiece and share it with the world. Upload the video to your own YouTube channel and start making money through ad revenue before you watch the video. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest ad-powered content. Until next time, happy creation.
In the heart of darkness, where reality and the supernatural intertwine, a chilling mystery unfolds, presenting Whispering Shadows. Detective Dean Winchester steps into the ominous Blackthorn Manor, where a wealthy recluse has met a gruesome fate. But this isn't just a murder. It's a web of secrets, hauntings, and the unknown. Whispers echo through the halls, shadows dance on the walls. A supernatural air envelops the investigation, leading Winchester down a path he never thought he'd tread. A hidden room reveals Victor Blackthorn's obsession with the occult, a ritual to summon eternal life. But something went awry. A malevolent spirit was unleashed, a force that transcends death itself. Determined to solve the mystery, Winchester delves into the world of the supernatural. He performs a daring ritual, hoping to free the mansion from its haunting grip. A chilling wind, shadows swirl. Blackthorn's spirit emerges, grateful for release. But the truth is more horrifying than anyone imagined. The chilling truth unravels. Blackthorn's death was orchestrated by an imposter who used the mansion's eerie reputation to their advantage. As dawn breaks, Detective Dean Winchester is left with a haunting revelation. The real horror isn't the supernatural, but the darkness within. Whispering Shadows, a story that blurs the line between the real and the paranormal, a reminder that the true horrors often lie hidden in plain sight.